This one's special little blanket. No, is it cool? Look at it. You can keep eating, but now he smells the kitten who's on the other side of the door. It's okay, you can keep eating. Do we just want love? What does it smell like, Paws? Here, Mommy leaves it here. You can sniff all you want. Good boy. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Paws. Good boy.
The key is going to be
Hi.
He really wanted to say hi, so he did a tiny
Same thing
peek.
happening on multiple platforms.
He bapping the daddy. Oh, he bapped the daddy. Oh, he bapped the daddy all the way up and down.
YouTube.
Oh, no, no,
That's
no, no,
today,
no, no.
actually.
First full day and you already want to meet your big brother. You're not big enough. And he's not ready. I'm sorry, Paws isn't ready for you, sweetie. You're very impatient. No. I know. Don't fuss at me. You don't get to go out yet. This is literally your first full day. You haven't even gone through half of it yet. Why are you so fussy? Hi! Paws is growling every time he plays. Oh, cool is too smart for you, Paws. Dude, he's gonna take the whole thing.